back again, and today what I'm going to show you is very simple. It's called Anise and orange salad. My mother prepared this quite often for my dad. He was a very big vegetable eater and fruit eater, and she would make this a lot. What it is, what we were taught, it acts as a digestive. So if you're eating a very heavy meal and you would have this either in between or after or before the meal, it's very tasty. In fact, it has now become a tradition in my home that every Christmas Eve I prepare this, and 2 or 3 of my friends, they fight over who has to have the dish near them. So it becomes very funny, becomes very cute. The ingredients for today are anise, navel oranges, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and olives if you want them in. Okay, now we're going to cut the anise. Now if you have a mandolin slicer and you can cut it very thin, that would be even better. But I don't happen to have one, so I cut it as thin as I can with a knife. I cut the top of the anise off. That one is very bitter and hard. I don't use that in my dish. But the prawns that are on there, I use not only for decoration, but it helps in the flavor. Make sure you wash everything in cold water, especially your oranges, because that zest is going to go in your salad. Okay, so we're going to first zest the oranges. Then you're going to take all the peel off. Make sure you take the pith, which is the yellow part, because then it'll make the orange bitter. And then you're going to slice the orange. I like it in rounds. I think it's prettier. But you can do it in half, whatever you like. It's all going to be eaten, so I like things to look pretty, so I like it in the round. The olives we used are Sicilian olives. That's basically what you should use for this salad. And you have to pit them because they are always pitted. You just crack them with the knife and the pit comes out very easily. You don't have to put those in, it's optional. It does add to a nice texture and it looks pretty, but you don't have to do that. We use some prawns in the actual salad, and then we put salt, pepper, quite a bit of black pepper, that's what it calls for, but if you don't like a lot of black pepper, you don't have to do it. And extra virgin olive oil to your taste. And just keep stirring it and tasting it till you like the flavor. And then once you put it on a platter, it looks so beautiful to get some of the prawns and put them on top of the dish. It's very decorative and looks very nice. And enjoy it, it's absolutely delicious. And I'm very happy that my grandchildren love doing this with me, and they're enjoying the salad and they're just loving it, and I'm loving watching them, enjoying everything that I do. It's such a pleasure for me to see them do this with me. It's a labor of love. Tell your friends about some of my cooking shows. Hope you enjoy them, and please subscribe. I love hearing from you, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Have a great day.